Hello traders, you can download a free Forex robot for MT4 and MT5 that has lots of indicators and candlestick patterns built in by using the link in the description below. In this video, I am reviewing the Gold Stallion EA for MT4. It's an expert advisor available on the MQL5 Marketplace that focuses specifically on trading gold. Now, starting here on the marketplace page, we can see that Gold Stallion EA was developed by Antonis Michos and is currently priced at $90 although it is currently being offered at a discounted price according to what we can see here. Now, the version shown here is version 4.2, updated on July 18th, 2023, with 15 activations available. According to the developer, this EA uses artificial intelligence as part of its entry process for XAUUSD trading. The description states that it analyzes all time frames to identify potential entries. Gold is a recommended instrument, and the developer suggests using it primarily on the M5, and M15 charts. That's the 5-minute and 15-minute charts. Okay, and although other time frames can be used depending on the trader's risk preference. All right. As I continue through the product page, one of the recent upgrades mentioned is improved entry conditions along with new chart buttons that allow users to pause and restart the EA directly from the chart. All right. There's also a feature that can pause trading after a specified number of positions and then automatically restart trading if a 4-hour candle returns to trend based on a moving average setting. Now, looking at how the EA operates, there are two available modes. The first is full auto mode, where the system searches for potential exhaustion candle entries on its own. The second is semi-auto mode, which allows traders to manually decide where to enter a buy or sell position while letting the EA handle trade management afterward. Another feature available is the ability to place pending orders directly from the chart. Once those pending orders are triggered, the EA begins managing the position automatically. Moving into the inputs section, there are extensive customization options available. Users can control starting lot size, stop loss values, trade spacing, maximum buy and sell positions, profit targets, and various trade management parameters. The EA also includes a multiplier setting, and the developer specifically notes that setting the multiplier to 1 creates flat lot sizing. All right. Although the stated strategy is designed to operate with the multiplier functionality enabled, there is also a max lot martingale setting available, which allows users to define the maximum lot size a position can reach. Now, let us move over to the backtesting section and review the historical testing performance. Okay, so whenever I'm evaluating an EA, I like to remember that backtests are useful for understanding historical behavior, but they don't guarantee future results. I'll still recommend running longer term testing yourself as well, so you can get a more comprehensive understanding of how the EA behaves across different market conditions. Based on what we can see here, the developer didn't seem to provide a strategy tester report, but let's just head over to our strategy tester. I'm testing the Gold Stallion EA on XAUUSD on the H4 time frame, and I'm just testing it over the past about 2 weeks plus. The reason why I did that is because of time. The EA seems to be taking quite a lot of time, when back testing it for the results to be out. Okay, but if you are really interested in this expert advice, so I would actually recommend that you test it over a longer period of time, because 2 weeks plus is actually very, very insufficient. Okay, but over that duration, The total net profit was negative 68.59 from a $10,000 deposit, and total trades taken were 11, out of which 7 were profitable, giving a 63.64% win rate. The largest profit was 31.64, largest loss was 63.06. Average profit was 9.8, while the average loss was 34.3. This shows me that the average risk to reward ratio is pretty bad, all right? Because the difference between the average profit and average loss is quite much. Okay. Meanwhile, let's just turn on the visuals and let's see this EA in action. So looking through the historical chart activity, the behavior appears consistent with the description provided by the developer. The system looks for entry opportunities and then manages positions according to its built-in logic. The product description explains that after an initial entry, the EA can open additional positions of the same size and optionally increase position sizes depending on the selected settings. The overlap functionality is also designed to help reduce drawdown after a specified number of trades. Okay, and then since the internal artificial intelligence model and exact entry calculations are not disclosed, the historical chart activity is really where traders can evaluate how the EA responds to market movement, manages positions, and handles recovery phases. Now, when reviewing the historical testing performance, it is important to focus not only on profitability, but also on drawdown, position sizing, behavior, and overall consistency. Results can vary significantly depending on lot size, multiplier settings, broker execution, spread conditions, slippage, market volatility, and user optimization choices. But overall, the Gold Stallion EA offers both automated and semi-automated trading functionality for XAUUSD, along with extensive trade management controls and customization options. So, as with any expert advisor, I would strongly recommend conducting your own testing and optimization before considering any live trading application. Okay, so if you found any value in this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on your notifications as well so that you don't miss out on more valuable trading content. So in the meantime, thank you for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.